Hello, Sacramento. Are your gutters damaged? Imagine your gutters as the unsung heroes of your home, quietly protecting your foundation, walls, and even the garden from water damage. But like all heroes, they face their fair share of battles, which can lead to damage. It could be storm damage, or a ladder, or just age. Either way, damaged gutters can compromise your home's water drainage system. To know what you're dealing with first, you'll need to clean your gutters, removing all debris and blockages. Then patch and repair small leaks and holes, and replace any badly damaged gutter sections. You can do this yourself, or let us handle it quickly and professionally. For residents of Sacramento and surrounding areas, the solution is just a call away. Call 708-549-0363 now to get your gutters serviced by one of our qualified professionals. Call today, Sacramento, and keep your home or business safe, dry, and happy, no matter what the weather.